A very good evening, guys. This is Yogen from Fast Coding School. Along with me, Dr. Sylvester is there. A very good evening, guys, and welcome to our day 6. Yeah, Saloni, very good evening. Okay, Saloni is saying, sir, you are audible. Okay, thank you. I forgot to ask basically whether am I audible or not. Thank you, Saloni. Yeah. So, guys, today is Saturday, right? So, congratulations to all of you. You have successfully completed the week 1 of our project season, right? And I want to ask a question from you guys. I want to ask a question from you, so please listen carefully and give me your answer. You can use the chat option to answer that. Please tell me how has been your experience in the week 1 for this project season? And if it is good, why it is good for you? If it is bad, why it is bad for you? Please give me the reason as well. Swati Lohia, please give your justification. If you're saying it was good, why it is good, right? Because we want to know that how come this is a different experience to you. Is it just a one more normal course that you see everywhere nowadays, or is it something different? So Manisha Katta is saying it's interesting. Swati Lohia is saying good. Vansi is saying I learned something to start project. Okay. Sri Ram is there. Amazing experience, sir, because of live interaction. Yeah. Rudra Pratap is saying hot. Uh, Okay, Sakat Pandit is saying good, learn data, understanding, working on project is exciting. Nikita Sharma is saying very exciting and good because I learned something new in Python and know more about advantages of Python. Okay, Manisha Katta is saying I like the way of teaching. Okay, very good, Manisha, thank you. Swati giving a justification now because I came to know how to approach the problem of a client. Paridhi saying, sir, it's interesting. I enjoyed the way we all are helping each other. Yeah, Paridhi, I think it's a very good sign uh, to get a success, right? So that's very good, Paridhi. People are active on the Slack. They are helping each other. I think it is one of the most fabulous a thing that has happened to you guys, although you come from a different community, different background, different colleges, different universities, different regions, different languages, right? Everything is different, but when we come to this project season, everybody is helping each other. I think this is the great thing. Pratik is saying motivated, got to learn how to break multiple lines of problem, but now scared of seeing your shared slack of curve on day 2. Yeah, that's fine, Santosh, Pratik. You just have to have a leap of faith, and that's it, right? That will help you. Sandeep saying learning has always been fantastic on FOSC because the way the mentors teach here is awesome. Okay. Anubha from Jodhpur is saying, good sir, because I came to know about the steps we take to make industry-based project and also learn something new. Nandini is saying, good, learn something new, but sometimes somewhat it's difficult. Yeah, Nandini, if you, uh, uh, you know, stay in the game and, be focused, you will achieve it, and then the kind of level of confidence you will have, right? It would be manifold than what you have as of now, right? Bloom, Mr. Bloom is there, explanation of every details and information. It is really easy to follow and interesting. Okay, Chimata is saying just experience the how to work on industrial real-time project. Srinidhi Madhyast is saying struggle to complete first homework, now it's good. Yes, right, you are right, Srinidhi. Sriram is saying can connect to the instructor. Friendly interaction is the thing that makes this course extraordinary. Yeah, Ritesh Kashyap is there. Sir, it was amazing and even exciting. Gain some confidence to work on project, even to approach the client problem and build ourselves as a professional in career. Yeah, Chirayu Goel is there. good, because till now I was just learning language, but now I'm actually able to practically implement my learning. That's very good, Chirayu. Nitesh, a very active guy on Slack. Nitesh is saying it was good because in lockdown, this is like very productive thing happening. And I started learning ML since last 5 months. So I need a career path and an internship. It's amazing. Narayan Chaudhary, fantastic and very easy to understand the concepts. As I was learning previously from Udemy, it was difficult to learn pandas and dumpy, and had real curiosity as I did not have any mentor or teacher to ask for, and now I have everything to achieve my goal as a career in data science. That's good. Shubhi, okay. So Surbhi was asking a question on the Slack, how I can make a payment. I have a limited options. But now Survi has successfully paid or successfully has done an investment in the project season, guys. Okay, Survi is saying, till now the experience is very nice, sir. I have not done a data science project before. I'm learning new things, and experience in the Slack is really wonderful. Everyone is so helpful. Yes, Survi, you are right. Bhavani is saying, my experience of 1 week is awesome, sir, because of at the first very time I'm able to interact with the live project, and also your teaching style is fabulous, superb, and keep it up. Sir, it's very helpful for your students. Yeah, so you should say thank you to Sylvester, sir. He's teaching you, not me. Saloni is there, sir. Everything is new, but the way of teaching is awesome. Yeah, Vineet Sharma. Vineet is saying, please start the topic, sir. Yeah, I think Vineet is just reminding us that we should go for a topic now, and I think he has taken some time from the IPL schedule, basically. Thank you, Vineet. So, Santosh is also there. I learned ML from Yogendra sir. Now Sylvester sir handling the project season. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, Santosh, very good. Yeah. So Santosh has also recently made a payment or recently done investment. Thank you, Santosh. Yeah. So guys, very good. I think people have shared their experiences. Okay, so now guys, before Sylvester start, I want to take 5 minutes from you. Okay, and the reason is very simple. Yesterday, if you know guys, right? Yesterday, we announced that now, registrations are open for internship letter, a letter of completion, recommendation on LinkedIn, and other couple of things. Now you know, guys, right, what I'm talking about, right? And after that, right, after that, we got couple of calls actually, right? Couple of messages and couple of calls. And what was the, kind of a say from their side? I want to share that with you guys, okay? Couple of people called us and said, sir, can we work on the project without pay, without paying the fee? What was our answer? Our answer was, yes, you can, right? But paying a 2K or making an investment of 2K is actually a game changer for you. Why it is a game changer for you? Let me tell you. I said to them that, a gentleman, definitely you can join and continue without pay, but historical data is not in your favor. Why the historical data is not in favor? In last 4 seasons, guys, we have seen the people who did not pay, 95% of them were not able to complete the project. Why they were not able to complete the project? There is a reason for it. We analyze those reasons, and I'm sharing those reasons with you only, right? That what was the reason why they were not able to successfully complete. On the other side, the people who made the investment, who paid, 90% of the people were able to successfully complete the project. Why so? Why this is the difference, right? There is a reason, let me tell you. There is a analysis we have done. Guys, if you don't make this investment, right, what you are putting from your side? Tell me what you are putting. Are you in the game? Do you put your skin into the game? No, you are not putting. Because if you don't pay, you are not sincere, You will not bring to the discipline, right? You lose the momentum. Why? Because things become very casual for you. अरे यार आज तो मन नहीं कर रहा, चलो छोड़ते हैं.
I think so there is some technical problem. We lost Yogendra sir's voice. So are you there, sir? Just a minute, guys. Give us 2 minutes to resolve it. Yeah, I think so we lost him. No problem. So let's see if we can come in 2 minutes. I think so there is some technical problem at his end. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Guys, I think so Yogendra is back. Is connecting. Guys, just a minute. There was some network issue at Yogendra's place. He's connecting back. So
Okay, guys, I'm back now. Can you please confirm if you can hear me, guys? If you can hear me. So, okay, so now people can say, yes, we can hear you, sir. Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah. So, guys, okay, thank you, Paridhi. Yeah, so I was talking about that if you do not make an investment of this amount, right, you are not putting anything on the stake. And the moment, right, you have an issue with your comfort zone, you will leave the game. And that's why you will be unable to complete it. But when you put your investment, right, you stick to it. You bring to a discipline mode, right? You become sincere. That means you have a full trust on the team now, and now things start moving. You take the homework seriously. You try to solve the problems on your own, right? And whenever some condition which is difficult for you to understand, right, you put extra efforts to learn that and understand that, and these simple things make you successful actually, right, guys? And that is the big difference, that why people, those who did not pay, were unable to for our side it was no difference at all, right? But the difference was on their side actually, guys. Okay, so I think I have made my point now, right? अगर आप खुद सोचो यार, okay, by putting this amount, अगर मेरे प्लेसमेंट के चांस बढ़ जाते हैं जो नहीं थे, बाई पुटिंग दिस अमाउंट, मेरा प्लेसमेंट तो पहले से ही कंफर्म था, लेकिन अब मेरी जो है सैलरी में 2000-3000 रुपए का एक्स्ट्रा ऐड हो गया. दिस इज द इन्वेस्टमेंट, right? By putting this investment, यार मैं पहले job change करना चाह रहा था और करना अब इस project की वजह से थोड़ा सा easy हो गया because this is a relevant topic. Everybody is asking about the data science only. This is going to help me. अगर मुझे करंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में ही अगर हाइक मिल रहा है तो अच्छी बात है, एटलीस्ट आई एम गेटिंग समथिंग ऑन माय रिज्यूमे एज अ प्रोजेक्ट. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सिनेरियोज, राइट, एंड यू विल फिट इनटू वन ऑफ द सिनेरियोज, राइट. सो that is there, right? That is there. So this is the story from my side, and I think Sylvester is now waiting, guys. Okay. And the last announcement, guys, the cashback offer is valid till 9 p.m. today, right? And we have already got a lot of registrations in the day today, and this offer is closing by 9, guys. Okay. To get a cashback of 200. Sylvester, are you ready now?
Yes, sir. Ready. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, guys and gals. Hope you people can see my screen. Let me share my screen now. And now you should be able to see my screen. So guys, can you just give me a confirmation on the chat? Can you people see my screen is available to you people? And my voice is audible. So a lot of people are saying yes. Good, good. Okay. So guys, I had already shared with you. Stop chatting now, guys. It's okay. I just did a test. Now I think so. My voice is also audible to you people, and my screen is also visible. Good. Okay. So yesterday's homework was a very simple one, and I have shared the solution on the Slack also. So let's focus today on what we are going to cover. So guys, yesterday you were able to make a Python script or a Python code which was able to convert an Excel sheet data into a CSV data. Okay. And we were able to convert into 2 CSV. That was the homework. One was the global terror CSV and one was the India terror CSV. So guys, now when you are working on your project, you people tell me, should we use the Excel sheet or should we use the CSV sheet? You people tell me on the chat, what should we use as a data sheet, as a data set? So a lot of people are saying CSV, Santosh is saying CSV, Akshat is saying CSV. Fair enough. Why? And the reason is simple. I was able to do some feature engineering on my Excel sheet, and I was also able to do a data cleaning. Okay, why data cleaning? I removed the unused column from my Excel sheet. So guys, I am now trying to teach you a way how to read data from your CSV. It's the same way, guys. Okay, so let me do that for you, and let me clean the code first. Okay, and let me now make a structure for you. So guys, now my data set name, what should I put here? I should not put what? Excel sheet here. What should I put? Your global underscore terror.csv. Okay, that I want to read. So guys, can you see my piece of code what I have written? It's a very clean code. I told you, you should write a code in a modular fashion. And I'm teaching you the same thing, guys. If you see the code, I am not writing any code outside the function. Where I'm writing? I'm writing all my code in my function. Which function I made? The main function. And what I've done? I have called my main function. So now guys, now what I need to do is I need to read the data set, which is not an Excel sheet now, guys. What I need to do? I need to read the data from where? From my global terror.csv. So what I'll say now? PD dot, there's a function now which is known as read CSV. Is it clear, guys? And what I have to pass here? I'll pass the name of your data set. And once this is being done, what I need to do? I need to do what? I need to store this information in what? In my data frame. And guys, you people know. So once I do this, what I can do? I can do some operations on that. For example, df dot endim. You people remember? It was endim. It was giving what? Some dimension. I can also do what? I can say df dot shape. Perfect. It will give what? The shape of my data. And if you people know, I can do a lot of other combinations also. For example, if I need the information, I'll say df dot info, guys. Do you people remember? Sorry guys, I use printf. I need to use what? Print here. So now guys, my main function is simple. Okay. So I've called shape, I've called endim, I called info, and you people now are familiar with the pandas functionality. What endim will give? The number of dimensions. What shape will give? The number of rows and columns. And what info will give? The info will give a lot of other information also. Okay. And then if you people remembered, we use the technique which says df.head. Do you people remember? df.head. Similarly, there was one more function, df.tail. Okay. And now there was one more function, your df dot what? Sample. And sample, I need to print what? Some value for it. So just a revision guys, what we covered yesterday. But now the only difference is the data frame remains the same. Whether I read from an Excel sheet or I read from a CSV file, there is no change in my data frame. Is it clear guys? There is no change there. Okay. So let me now run this and show you. So let me run this. Shriram, I'm not saving into a CSV file. I'm reading. So I don't need to mention that. Okay. So guys, see. So can you see on my right hand side on the console what is happening? Beautiful. Guys, can you people tell me what is the difference today from yesterday? What is the difference today from yesterday? Yesterday we were reading from an Excel sheet and today we are reading from a CSV file. Can you people find some difference? Yes, loading was very fast. Okay. Why? Because a lot of functionality which was not required has been taken now. Guys, okay. So this is the power of pandas, that I can use the pandas functionality to trim a lot of data now. Yes, Bloom, you are right. Okay. And I think so I should not go, it's the same thing. Okay. If you can see the shape here, this is the dimension, this is the shape, what it's saying, 23 columns and how many rows? The rows remains the same, 1,91,464. Okay. So guys, I'll teach you something new now. So you people remember DF was there, which was okay. So guys, now if you want that whenever you people are using your data frame, you need to show what all missing data are there. Okay. So guys, if you want to use a technique for that, I have a df and I have a function is null. Okay. And I'll say give me all the part for the rows. So guys, see what I'm saying. Just concentrate on the, so let me comment this guys, it's not needed. So what I'll do is I'll comment this line still here. I don't want to print it again and again guys. Okay. Now see guys, concentrate on line number 19. What I'm trying to say, this is a technique to find what? Your find missing values. Okay. And yesterday I showed you one technique. I can use the df.info also, which gives me the same information. But this is a more advanced way of getting your missing values. Okay. When I run this, you'll find the difference what I'm talking about. Guys, see. Okay. So guys, did you find a difference now? What it's giving? It is giving all the rows information and saying within any column, if something is missing, it is saying true. That means try to concentrate on these lines, guys. If it is true, that means there is not a single column in which data is missing. And guys, if this is the way, if this is the case, that means what? In the row for index 5, there is some missing column. And I don't know which missing column is, but what it is giving me? It is giving me that there is some missing information in the row index 5. So guys, this is the way to do that. There's one more way. When I say 1, it means row wise, and when I say 0, this means axis wise. Okay, I'll give you a difference for this. Let me run again, you'll find a difference. So see guys, what is happening? Do you see that? If I say 0, what it is saying? It gives me the list of all the columns and says what? True and false. Why? It says which columns has a missing value. So can you see? Neither the region, the TXT, the country, the IDay, the IMonth and IDK. There is no missing values in this column. Where it is? There are some missing values in these columns. So guys, just let me know on the chat. Now do you people understand how to find the missing values? Guys, on the chat please. Good, good, okay. And I taught, guys, yesterday I taught you how to find also and how to fix also. Can you people tell me if a data is missing in a column, how to fix that? Yes, Bloom, if you want, you can do that. Yes, you people are right. The way is what? The fill. Okay. So when I pass x is equal to 0, it is for columns, and when I say x is equal to 1, it is for what? For the rows. Yes, Paridhi, you are right. Okay. You can fix the values for any of the column. Yeah, Sriram, if you want, you can drop that also. So guys, now moving forward. So guys, now let me move forward. Dikshita, you need to, once you know the index, you can print that value from the data set, no? Then they'll come to know. Is it clear? Good. So guys, now let me come to the next part now. Stop chatting with me now. I'm concentrating. Please concentrate back on the screen now. Guys, see now what I'm trying to say. Please concentrate on the screen and let me know. DF is my data frame. Okay. And I say now I year. Okay. Guys, let me know what it will print. Let's be very interactive, guys. Otherwise, you people won't learn. Line number 21. Please concentrate on line number 21, guys. I am saying DF year. Yes, guys, you people are right. It will print the value for what? For my series. Which series? My year. That is my year data. Okay. Good. So guys, can you people now tell me, if I run this, you people told me that this will print all the data of that column. Perfect, you people are right. Okay. And guys, can you people see the data is from where? From 1970 to what? 2018. Okay. So it's a range. The values are in a different for each column. So guys, if you people want to find which are the unique values in this column. So guys, if I do this, it prints what? It prints the value of that column. Okay. Now guys, if I want to find the unique values, what it will do? This method unique of the series will give me what? The unique value. And guys, if I print this, run this code, just see now. It prints what? The unique values. Can you see guys on the console? it is giving all my information. Okay, and guys, if you people want, you can convert into a list also. So I'll say to list to it. Okay, it's the same thing now, but it will print my data into a list. So guys, just concentrate on the right hand side console. It is given all the values from 1970 to 2018. So it's a very powerful concept, guys. This unique method will do what? It will give me all the list. Is it clear? Guys, you people now tell me, if I change this I year to I month, what will be the output, guys? From I year to I month, give me the output, guys. What will be the output? 0 to 12. Okay, so let me run and see, guys. When I do this from 0, so guys, what it is doing? It has given me all the values from 0 to 12. Okay. Yes, guys. Now you people can say there were only 12 months, but it has given me what? It has given me what? 13 months. Why? From 0 to 12. Can anybody answer this for me? Why this? There is a value 0. Yes, it's a null. You are right, Sriram. Wherever there was some unavailable data, they have put what? 0. And 0 means what? An unknown month. Okay, so it's like a null value. Saloni, you're right. It's like a null value. But what it is stored? A 0 is stored there. And guys, if you people want this data to be printed in a sorted manner, what I can do? I can convert this data into a sorted data. And see now, guys, what is the difference now? Now it will print that data into what? Into a sorted one from 0 to 12. Okay, from low to high. Perfect. Okay, so guys, now you people tell me, if I say I month, I year, and now I day, what will be the output now? Okay, let me see what it's giving. And when I run this, guys, it gives me the same one from 0 to what? To 31. Perfect. Okay. So I think so you people now know what is the way of getting a unique data from any of my columns. Okay. Good. So guys, do you people remember now? I want to know how many regions are there. Okay, so if I want to find the region, what I'll say, I'll give the field of my region, that is what? A region txt. Okay, so now guys, if I do this, I should not sort the data. I don't require to sort this data now. So I'll print this data and see now. So guys, if I do this now, let's see what it does. Can you people see? It is giving me all the names now. Okay, and guys, this is what? This is the unique region for my data. And guys, I'll do one thing. When I say to list, okay, I can use one more technique and say, let's imagine I'm saying length. Okay, so guys, just note what it will give me now. Okay, so it should print two things to me now. It will also print me what is the length of the region txt. So can you people see what is the length? The length is coming what? The length is coming 12. That means how many regions are there in total? There are 12 regions. You people are right. And guys, I am focusing on these columns. There's a reason behind that. If you people remember, it was a client requirement and a client expectation, and the UI or the wireframe which I showed you, I need to design a drop down in which I need to show the region. Do you people remember that? Do you people remember the client expectation in the wireframe, in the map? Okay, So that's why I'm teaching you guys that if you want to fill the drop down, how will you fill the drop down? This is the way to fill your drop down. You need to get the data first and store it where? Store it to a variable, and then we will be using that variable to store that information. Okay, so guys, now let me know, after region, which is the next important parameter from a column? After region, what comes? Within regions, what is there? Yes, you people are right. It's what? Country. So let me print that now, country, and I should also change this also, the country here. And guys, when I click on this, guys, see what it does. It gives me the list of all the countries. Did you see? It has given me a list of countries. And how many countries are there in total, guys? There are 205 countries in total. So guys, now if I want to do the same thing for the state, how many states are there? So what I'll do, I'll convert this into what? State. No guys, it's not state. What it was? Prof state. Do you people remember? It was what? A prof state. This was the column name. And now guys, when I do that prof state, it gives me that information now. Oh, why? What happened? There is some error. Not unique. Let me comment this. It might be giving me some problem because of the length. Okay. Let me run and see again. DF prof state PROV. Guys, can you people see what I've removed the length now. Okay. So I'm saying prof state.unique.toList. So guys, let me now remove this and see toList. It might be a problem because of creating of list. Let me check, guys. I think so. It was PROVSTATE. Oh, there was no TXT, guys. Do you remember? It does not have TXT. Okay, this was the reason it was not giving me. Okay, so let me now change that. Okay, and now let me run. So guys, do you people know now, if there is a key error when you people are accessing a column, that means what? It's a time for you people to know that there is some problem in your column name. So let me run it back. So when I do that, I think so, yes, I have all the states. So guys, all the states are there in the form of a list. Okay, and how many states are there? 2,580 states are there. And I think so the last one is what? The city. So now guys, if I do this, I can find what? All the cities now. So let it find all the cities. Yes, okay. So guys, how many cities are there across my data set? There are approximately 39,489 countries which is present in my data set. That means I have incidents happening across the world from how many countries? 39,489. So guys, now you people tell me, there is some other parameter
Saji,
about
it's not country, it's a cities actually.
Sorry, cities, sorry. So it is all the cities which are coming there. There are 39,489 cities which data is being shown. Okay, and guy, I think so one more very important parameter is, which we'll be using in our project, is your attack type txt. Okay, and guys, if I do that and try to find that, okay, and you people will see now So there is a different attack types. How many attack types are there, guys? So guys, there are assassination is possible, hostage taking is possible, that's known as kidnapping. So guys, I'm trying to explain you the data also because it is required for my future classes. So this is a very important column there. Each and every incident which is captured in my data set will have a unique attack type. What are the attack type? That incident might be for assassination, it might be for some kidnapping, it might be some bombing or explosion, it might be some facility or infrastructure attack, it might be an armed assault, it might be an hijacking, it might be an unknown attack, it might be an unarmed assault, it might be a barricade incident. So total how many attack types are possible? There are 9 types of attack type possible. Okay, and guys, there was one more important parameter that was known as target type. You people remember the target type? The target type 1.txt. So, and if I see this, guys, and I run my data, so guys, I think so the problem is there is no 2t, there is a single t. Okay, Zahar Fatima is asking why txt is not working. Zahar Fatima, there is no txt in the name of that column. Okay, that's why. Target. Okay, it's targ only. Okay, targ only, and targ type targ type 1.txt. Now it should work, guys. Beautiful. Okay, so guys, now you have these types of target incidents happening. Okay, some is from political parties, sometimes it's on airport and aircraft, sometimes it's media, sometimes on police. These are some 22 types of target in which the incidents are happening. Okay, and guys, you will also be required to find some data for the weapon type use. It's a very, very, very good data, guys. Let me VEAP, okay, type 1 underscore txt. I think so. Now I will not make a mistake. Now let me run that. Yes, perfect. Okay, so how many weapon type they are using? Sometimes it's not known, sometimes it's explosives, sometimes it's fake weapons, sometimes it's vehicles, sometimes it's firearms. Okay, and how many total there are? There are in total 12. Is this clear, guys? Okay, now I have taught you people to find the unique values in any of the columns. Is it clear, guys? You people know now how to find the unique values in any of your columns. Now, guys, let me know if I want to find missing values in any column. Okay, somebody asked me this question, so concentrate this df. Okay, and I'll do nkill. Okay, guys, if I do this and say is null, okay, and now if I say any axis equal to 0, what it should give me? Okay, let me print and show you guys. Okay, this is giving me false. Why false? Because this nkill, this column, when I try to find a null value, there is no null value. Why? Because you people remember the homework which I gave you, I told you to fill all the null values with what? 0 values. Okay, and if I say 1 also column wise, then also it will tell me there is no row which has what? These values. I think so there is some problem because it's a series. No problem. Okay. I am focusing on a column values only. Is it clear, guys? Now, guys, can you people tell me? I'm asking you a question now. You people will tell me what should I write now. Guys, this nkill, concentrate on my question, guys. This nkill stores the information that in that incident, how many people died. Is it clear to you people? The nkill column stores what information? It stores that information what? That how many people were killed. So guys, can you people tell me from, so my question is very clear, from 1970 to 2018, can you people tell me how many people were killed in total? Guys, can you people tell me how many people were killed in total? What to do now? How to find that value? Guys, if I print like this, what will happen? See, okay, what will happen? This will give me row wise how many people were killed, but I want a summation for it. And guys, if you want to summate something on a column, you can use the sum function. And what sum will do? Sum will do what? Do a summation of all the values from this column. Is it clear, guys? And now, guys, when I do this, it will give me that value. So can you see how many people were killed? Around 4,34,981 people were killed. So guys, just let me know, is this clear to you people? Is this concept clear to you? How to play with the column values? It's very important that you should know how to play with what? The column values. Shriram Potla, you can just try at your end. I don't remember there is a function for that. Okay, you can try at your end. Good, guys. Okay, so I think so I have done for today. I have kept it very precise what I need you people to learn and understand in pandas. Okay, and homework for today. So guys, there is the first homework is you need to practice what I practiced today. Is it clear, guys? What you need to do? You need to practice what I practiced today. That is, you need to learn how to read data from your read CSV, that is a CSV file, and do a research on different things what I have taught you. How to find your null values, how to find your unique values, how to print the values of a column, how to find a summation of a column. Okay, all these things you need to practice. Okay, this is the first homework. The second part of the homework is, guys, you need to now, I'll give you a link on the YouTube. There is a collection of 20 videos, small videos. Okay, because tomorrow is Sunday, guys, and there is a holiday. There will be no meeting tomorrow. So you have got one full day for homework. Okay, and you can find some time on Monday also. I want you people to go through a URL and do what? Go through some videos. Guys, I'm giving you a heads up now. From Monday onwards, I'll be teaching you. Guys, from Monday onwards, I'll be teaching you how to make the UI of your application or project. And for that, what is needed, guys, is a framework which is known as dash. Okay, so what you need to do is, I'll give you a link, guys. You need to watch 20 videos. It's a collection of small 20 videos, guys. Just go through that, all the videos. It might happen that you people will not understand everything. Don't worry. Okay, I want you people to just go through that video and come for Monday. So these are the two homeworks. Is it clear? Okay, and I'll share the URL on the Slack. I'll be sharing the URL for watching the videos on the Slack, guys. Is it clear? I'll teach you everything, Nitesh. Don't worry. Okay. You can refer to the solution approach document, Nitesh. Okay. Katta Manisha has asked me a question. Once again, explain is null method. Just look it here. Okay. Is null method. I'll comment this for you. Okay. Let me do this now. For everybody, guys, again, please consider the screen. DS stands for my data frame, and I'm saying is null. Is null means I'm telling my data frame, give me the null values where you have the null values across the column. So guys, when I do this, now guys, see, Manisha, see what it gives me. It gives me a matrix saying these are the columns which is present in my data frame. How many columns are there? 23 columns are there, and I have marked true and false. True and false means in this column there is no row in which there is null value. This means what? There is some rows in which the value is null there. Is it clear, Katta Manisha now? Nikita Sharma is asking, sir, is there any difference between if you use only null instead of is null? You can use, no issue. Okay, it gives you for both, Nikita. Okay. So guys, I think so. Is this clear? Guys, if anybody has any question, just put it on the Slack. If I have missed for somebody, because when you people put your questions on my Slack, sorry, on my chat, it scrolls very fast. So it might happen that I might have missed somebody. Sir, does this main method delocates all the variables? Because yes, you are right, Naman. Okay, after my project gets completed, it deallocates all the memory. You are right, Naman. Okay, that's why I told you this is the way to do a project. Okay, you should never write your code on your without the methods. Is it clear, Naman? I'll share this file also with you people, don't worry. Good. So guys, let's take a break now. So let's end the meeting. If you don't have any question, there are two homeworks, guys. I'm just repeating again. There is two homeworks. The first is you need to practice what I practiced today, and the second is you need to go through 20 videos. Okay. By Monday, when you come back, because tomorrow is Sunday, there's no class tomorrow, and when we come back, everybody should have seen that videos. I'll be sharing that link where on the Slack for the videos. Is it clear? Okay. Good night, guys. Good night, everybody. If you have any questions, put it on the Slack now, not on the chat here. If you have any questions, put it on the Slack. Good. And I am really happy people are very active on the Slack now. Thank you, Nitesh. Thank you, Paridhi. Thank you, Naman. Thank you, Naren. See you on Monday now. But be active on Slack. I am active on Slack. Don't worry. Sir, can you end the meeting now? Otherwise, I have to. Thank you, Santosh.
I will close.
Yeah, thank you, Zafar. You can close, sir, now.